The latest that we are tracking for you, the demand for Lokayukta's ouster in Karnataka is only growing louder. In a signature campaign, 57 MLAs have written to the Speaker demanding stern action. An FIR has been filed, but will the Siddaramaiah government act?
Clamour for resignation of Karnataka Lokayukta Bhaskar Rao over an alleged bribery scandal grows louder.
Though a special investigation team has been formed to probe the controversy surrounding the Lokayukta, not many in the state of Karnataka are convinced about the fair and effective probe that it would be able to carry out. The government clearly is doing a tightrope walk as it faces the opposition pressure on one side. On the other, it is required to tread cautiously as this particular controversy involves a constitutional position. In all, the eyes will be on the next couple of days of the assembly proceedings where a decision would be taken on how to handle this particular case and all the more important decision about the ouster of the Lokayukta Justice Bhaskar Rao himself.
There has already been a signature campaign in which 57 legislators of BJP and JDS have written to the Speaker.
More than 15 members have given a notice. Speaker has to take a cognizance of that and he has to act. What he has promised us that there will be a business advisory committee meeting on Monday and we will decide upon the procedure how to go about that.
Pressure mounting on the Siddaramaiah government to act, but the Congress downplaying the corruption allegations.
For opposition to say that, trying to make a hue and cry about this, everyone is as serious as anyone else about fighting corruption and maintaining, these institutions which have to be, the sanctity has to be maintained. So, we will take a decision based on the legalities.
The state government under pressure to act against the Lokayukta Bhaskar Rao, but with the opposition only escalating their demand for a CBI probe, will the Siddaramaiah government give in to pressure? Bureau Report, Times Now.